Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 14 Light. Our today's topic is reflection of light. Students, as we know that the object we see around us is because the light reflecting from them. Some of the objects like sun, burning candle, and fluorescent bulb emit light of their own. They are also called luminous objects. Many objects around us are non-luminous, that is, they cannot generate their own light. However, these objects reflect the light from the luminous objects from their surfaces. And because of the reflection of light from their surfaces, we can see that objects. In which direction luminous objects emits the light? They emit the light in all possible directions. Consider a fluorescent bulb which is glowing. It is emitting light in all the directions. Let us denote each direction in a straight line and arrows on it pointing in the direction where light is traveling. So all the arrows representing various paths where the light is traveling. These arrows what we called rays of light. How we define a ray of light? A ray of light is a straight line path along which light travels. So now we know that light emitted by luminous objects travel in a variety of directions. Suppose rays of light from this fluorescent bulb falls on the surface which is non-luminous. This reflects these rays. These reflected rays travel along a certain path. So, students, from here it is clear that the light ray which strikes the surface is called the incident ray, and the ray which is reflected after striking is called the reflected ray.